大家好. Hello everyone, welcome to the episode 5 of this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to pronounce the third group of the Chinese initials. This third group of initials can also be called guttural initials. Why? It is because these are the initials we pronounce with throatiness or harshness. Let's see them. They are g, k, h. These initials are also very simple, like the previous ones we did. Remember we said that initials cannot stand alone without finals. So for we to make it more clearer, more understandable, we need to add simple finals to them. So right here, we are going to add to 3 of these initials for it to be more clearer and more understandable to us. Now we have g, 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 just like the go in English language. G, go, g, g. The next one is k, k, just like the K word in English language. K. Right here, while making the sound, there must be airflow out of your mouth. K, g, k, g, k. And the last one is also very simple. H, 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 h. Now, the first one, which is g, the word for happiness in Chinese means 高兴. Repeat after me. 高兴. G, 高兴. I'm very happy. 我很高兴. I'm very happy. 我很高兴. The second one, 科, the Chinese word for lessons or class is 课, 课. When class begins in Chinese, we say 上课, 上课. And when class is over, we say 下课, 下课. The last one, which is 喝, the Chinese word to drink is 喝. To drink water in Chinese, we say 喝水. 喝水. 水 here literally means water. 喝水. Now, let's do a quick review. Follow up. G, k, h. Repeat after me. G, k, h. Beautiful. Today, we've already learned how to pronounce the third group of Chinese initials. In our next lesson, we are going to see how to pronounce the fourth group of Chinese initials. Please, if you are new in our channel, kindly hit on the red subscription button. Remember to turn on your notification bell for more video updates. See you next time in our next video class. Goodbye.